Hello kids, let's make some exciting things from puzzles. We have lots of puzzle pieces like stars, triangle, square, and circle, and also joint pieces in 3 different sizes. Let me show you. We can joint these puzzles like this. Wow, this is an amazing game. Here are circles, triangle, and star in blue color, looking satisfying. We made table, chair, and the basketball stand. Oh my God, I love the all colors. We have 3 different sizes. The big one and the middle one are the main, and lastly, the small one is help us to join our blocks. Yes, that's it. We made some cute playful thing. Like this table. And this chair. Wow, it's look great. I made it. Now let me show you the other thing. Yes, basketball stand. First, we take square shapes and joint theme with the large one puzzle, and then we have to make our basket for putting the ball. So pick 2 large circle joint small puzzle, and fix it with small circle. That's how you can also make it. Let's put the ball in it. Amazing! This is so good! We will meet in the next video. Till subscribe our channel.